Hello, I'm Michael from ZY Caraok EV Charger Factory. B2 AC type portable EV charger is very small and light, and you can put it in the trunk of your electric car and take it out to charge your car at any time. Furthermore, B2 is plug and charge, can be quickly charged as soon as it is powered on, and so it is favored by home and personal electric vehicle charging markets. B2 has a 2.4-inch screen, can display the charge status and parameters clearly, and it also supports Type 1, Type 2, and GBT, has power 3.5 kilowatts, 7 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, 22 kilowatts optional. It is rated IP65 and has undergone rigorous waterproof testing. High-quality products come from high-standard production processes. We not only test the EV charger main machine, but also the charging gun to ensure that every EV charger leaving the factory is of reliable quality. At the same time, all EV chargers of ZY Caraok must undergo a strict aging test for 2 hours, and the start and end time of each EV charger must be recorded. In addition, we have also conducted a car crush test for B2 to ensure its strong ability to resist falling. ZY Caraok New Energy EV charging pioneer, your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.